Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. Today I'm working on a 2015 Ram 3500. That thing would not go anywhere out of idle. This guy bought it in. These are all the codes in it. So, first thing you always want to check when you get any type of underboost codes or restriction codes is the air filter. So all you have to do is just pull it out. Don't even have to put one in to test it. Start it up and give it some gas and see if you can get anything above an idle. So guys, always remember to just check the simple stuff first. It'll save you a lot of times because half of those codes probably are just from that air filter, which the computer can't tell you when the air filter is clogged. But the air leak is probably the turbo trying to suck more, so it's probably pulling from somewhere. We'll smoke the intake, but right now I can start it up before. If I gave it gas, it wasn't even idling that high when we bought it in. It was only idling like 500. So now it'll pick right up. So we'll just put a quality air filter in it. This is a tree service truck, so they go to the dump a lot. There's no telling how many miles is on that filter. It's just stuff that people ignore. But hey guys, always check that air filter first, especially in these boxes that are screwed shut. You can tell people don't take the time to unscrew them and check them out. It's only 3 flathead screws, but we'll get some more videos to you guys. Check us out on Facebook, hit the like button, subscribe, and as always, keep wrenching.